On today's episode of Dave and Kellen Build Something, we're building LEGO City Set 60117. So LEGO City Set 60117 is the van and caravan set. It's for ages 5 to 12. It has 250 pieces. And we're going to get it open here. And we'll get the parts out. So
what bag do we have?
What we got? We got
bag 3.
Bag 3.
Instruction booklet number 1.
Instruction booklet number 1.
Bag 1.
Oh, there's 2 instruction booklets. We got
instruction booklet number 1. That one's 1, the other one's 2.
Yeah. And package number 1.
And
package number 2.
I want to do my own one.
Okay. So here we go.
Can I do? Which bag do I
Let's start with number 1. See, do you want to build the camper or the car?
The camper.
You want to build the camper?
Okay.
So you get, let's see what you start out with. You start out with bag number 3.
Okay.
Alright, so here we go.
Yeah, those are little pieces, so wait, we need that.
Okay.
We need one of these. So we put it on. There we go.
Tiny little pieces here.
Hey, I told you not to get those on until we need them. We need them.
Well, that's okay. We'll open them because you're going to need them here.
Wait, the small one.
And I'm going to build the car.
That's a van.
Or the van.
I don't know what it's called. Now, you take...
I start with bag 1, 2.
No.
We're going to have to reset here.
These. And you need these. Where's my other piece I need?
Well, that didn't take us very long to put together. Kellen had a little bit of trouble with his camper, and we ended up having to take it apart and put it back together, right? And it comes with the truck and the camper and the little doggy and 2 figures and a grill with some hot dogs on it and 2 bones for the dog. We'll put these over here so everybody can see the little guys and the doggy.
The German Shepherd.
It's a German Shepherd, yeah. And it's kind of cool. This little top piece comes off here, and then the camper opens up, and it's got a mug and a coffee maker inside here. And then you could put the guys inside the camper. You can take the truck. You can take the lid top off there and put the guys inside there. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty cool. We like it. It's kind of fun. It's a neat little project. This is fairly inexpensive on Amazon. We will put a link in the description below so you can pick this up if you want to. I think we got this for right around $12.99 or around $13 from Amazon on sale. You should be able to find it roughly about the same price. And that's it for this episode. What do we think? Do we like our little truck?
Everybody's gonna fly out. Everybody's sick.
Alright, get the guys back in there.
Everybody's sick.
And of course you always end up with a couple extra pieces. So That's the way it
Because
is.
if you lose pieces, and you'll get extra ones.
Yep, you get a couple extra ones.
There we go. He's in there. He doesn't have his mug. He drinks his coffee.
Okay. All right. Till next time. It's been another Dave and Kellen build and review something. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Just in a cup. We need more coffee.
Thanks for watching today's episode of KMC Reviews. If you haven't seen any of our previous videos, make sure you click the video link here to get started. Follow along on Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch to see what else we're up to, and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of other LEGO sets we'll be building in the coming weeks. We're sure you'd like to stick around to see those. That's it for today. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!